rồi ạ. Hello teacher.
Hello, potato. Good evening. Can you hear teacher? Can you hear me? Hello? Is
Hello
my voice
teacher.
clear? Okay. Is my voice clear? Can you hear me?
Dạ,
Okay. How are you today?
I am great.
You're good. Okay. So it's been a while that we didn't see each other because last few days we had holidays. Okay. Now, today, potato, is we are going to continue with the lessons that we are about to do. Are you ready?
Dạ,
Okay, so since you are ready, we are going to start our lesson. So let me share to the screen so we can actually do this. So wait with me first. All right, so here we go. Okay, potato, what is unit 17 all about? Please read the screen.
our hobby.
Okay, our hobbies. You know what is hobbies? Do you know what is it? Hobbies? Hmm? Potato, do you know what
No,
is hobbies?
no.
No. Hobbies are things that we do if we are in our free time, meaning no school, no work, okay? These are the things that we want to do if we don't have anything to do. Like we know, like for example, it's holiday and there's no work and no school. So these are the things that we kept on doing that makes us happy, okay? That is hobbies. Now, potato, we are going to see what are the examples of hobbies that we have here. Are you ready?
Dạ,
Are you ready? Yes, here we go. So let me proceed. So first we have the vocabulary words. Okay, what's the first word, potato? First word,
boat.
boat. Very good. Next word, what is that? It's a
Sun.
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 Correct. Next, the third word we have. What's this?
Here hả?
This is a, what is this?
Hat.
Okay, we put that in our head. Hat. Next, this one. What is this? What's the word? We have
Hey.
beach. Okay. Do you understand these four words? You understand this? You know these words? Potato. Do you know these four words? Boat, sun, hat, and beach. Do you know these words? Yes?
Dạ.
Okay, good. Now here, since you know these words, we will proceed. How about this one? What is the word? That is, again, it's called, can you make your voice a bit louder?
Let me.
Okay.
Let me. Let me my Wi-Fi.
Oh, okay. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. All right, potato. Can you hear teacher? Oh, I cannot hear you. No sound. Again? Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so what is the first picture showing to us? What is this? This is a
Harry.
Harry. Look at the boy. What is the boy carrying? The boy is carrying a... Can you tell me what is he carrying?
With me.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, look at
Then
the boy.
five. What is
Ah,
a five?
okay, a box of school things, right? What are, give me an example of a school thing that is found in the box. Can you tell me? What?
Notebook.
Notebook. What
Scissors.
else? Scissors.
Scissors.
And,
Pencil.
oh, pencil. Very good. Oh, correct.
Crayon.
Crayons. Okay, potato. How about second word? What's the second word?
What?
It's second word, number 2.
Wow.
What's draw? Look at the girl. What is the girl drawing?
Drawing. The
Ah,
girl is drawing.
drawing
A a picture
very good. A picture of, what is that? A picture of,
of flower.
very good. Okay, next, how about the third word, potato? What's the third one we have here is the, what's the third word we have?
With
Wave. Okay, very easy. And the fourth word. What's the fourth word? It's
a pencil.
very good. Parachute. So we have carry, draw, wave, and parachute. Okay, now here, potato, let's talk about your hobbies. Hobbies are things that we do during our free time. Now here, potato, I have here a question for you, okay? Please answer the question. What do you do with your family at the weekend? Okay, potato, Saturday and Sunday. What do you do every Saturday and Sunday with your family? What do you do with the family? Saturday and Sunday?
Saturday, I I draw a picture my with my baby brother.
Oh, you draw pictures with your baby brother during weekend. Wow. So you are giving time with your baby brother. Wow. Potato is really a good brother because you give time with your younger brother. Next, potato. How about what do you do with your friends after school? Oh, what do you do with your
I
friends?
I
Mhm.
play basketball.
Oh, I play basketball with them. Oh, are you good at shooting? You know how to shoot the ball?
Yes, I know.
I know, that's good because you love basketball. How about the third word, potato? What do you like doing on holiday? How about holiday? What do you like on doing?
What?
Holiday. How about holiday time? There's no school, no work. What do you like to do during holiday? Can you tell the teacher?
Holiday.
Yeah.
Holiday. With me.
Okay. What do you like doing on holiday? If mom and dad doesn't have word, what do you want to do?
No.
I don't know. Do you like to go on a picnic with family? You want to go in the park with family during holiday? Do you want
What?
it? Do you like to go to the park every holiday with family, with mom, dad, and brother? Do you like to play with them? How about holiday? Oh, yeah. So during holiday, you want to play with your family members. Okay. They're here. All right. So look at here, potato. I am here, people who's doing something in here. Now, potato, look at Sally in the picture. Can you tell the teacher what is Sally doing in the picture? Look at Sally. What is she doing? She is, what is she doing? Sally is
Sally is everything.
reading. Is it reading? Look at what she is holding. Is she reading?
He is writing.
Very good. Sally is writing. And how about Peter? Can you tell teacher what is Peter doing in the picture?
Pe-
Peter is
Peter is drawing.
drawing a, what is he drawing?
A picture
Ah, a picture
of a plane.
very good. He is drawing a picture of a plane. Now, how about Charlie? Can you tell teacher what is Charlie doing?
Charlie
Is
is take. I don't know.
getting, what is he getting? Look at what is Charlie getting in the boat. He is getting a, look at potato.
Don't know.
He's getting a bag. Look at there. Oh, in
Bag.
his right hand,
Getting a bag.
he is getting or holding a yellow bag. But look at the left side or the left hand. He is getting his blue bag. Okay. All right. Now here, potato, let's try to write what are these pictures showing to us. Look at picture number 1. Look at picture number 1, potato. I have here a boy and he is playing what? Look at there. What is he playing, or what sport does he want to play? Look at picture number 1. What's the answer number 1? It's
Hockey.
hockey. Very good. How about number 2? What is in picture 2? That is
Skate.
ice skating or skate. How about picture 3? What is that kind of book? It's a small book where kids love to read. What do you call to that small book, Potato, where children likes to read? What kind of book is that? It's a small book and it has many pictures, stories in it, and it starts with letter C. What kind of book is that?
I don't
Letter
know.
C. Oh, you don't know? Look at number 3. What do you call the picture 3? Comics. Correct. And how about number 4? What's picture 4? It is where
I
you
don't
can
know.
play videos. It starts with D.
I
What's the
don't know.
answer? Oh, look at there.
DVD.
DVDs. Again.
DVD.
It contains videos of movies that you like. Next, how about number 5? Very easy. 5 is a, look at 5.
Piano.
Piano.
6 is 6.
Swimming. Number 7.
Laptop.
Laptop. And number 8, we have
Tennis.
here, is it tennis? What's the complete name?
Tennis ball.
It's called, look at here, Potato. Please read.
Table tennis.
Table tennis. Do you know how to play table tennis?
No.
No. Okay. When you are older, you will know how to play table tennis. Okay. Potato, before we move, please read first the mover's tip. Go. In reading.
Everything and writing
Writing.
part 1, 3, 4, and 5. The words you have to write all of it. When make your correct copy the answer,
Carefully.
you spell. So you should
Should.
check the answer to each part before moving on the next parting, and so just check your spelling again. When you finish, you have plenty of time to do this.
Okay, so we have here mover's tip. This is reading and writing parts 1, 3, 4, and 5. So the words you have to write are given. So the words are given, Potato. No need to think of the spelling because it is given. You should make sure that you copy. Okay, Potato? Copy the words carefully because your answers must be correctly spelled. So you're going to copy the spelling. Spelling should be correct. You should check your answers to each part before moving on to the next part, and also check your spelling again. When you finish, you have plenty of time to do this, okay? So here, Potato. Choose the correct words from B and write them on the lines. Now, first, Potato, what are the words given in here? What are the answers? Okay, Potato, can you tell me or can you read this one for me? What are the words in there?
This is Ronnie is cutting comics, DVDs, a piano, swimming, tennis.
Okay, so Potato, you're going to use these words as your answer in numbers 1 to 7. Potato, do you know how to write on your iPad?
No,
Potato,
I write in my laptop.
you write. Can you write? Can you write on the screen or no?
No.
No. Okay, just tell me the answer. Okay, number 1, potato. What is number 1? Can you please read number 1?
The
Read number 1. This is
they like dancing,
but.
but you do it online.
Okay, this is like dancing, but you do it on ice. What do you think is the answer number 1? This is like dancing, but you do it on ice. What's the answer? It's very. Okay, what's the answer, potato? You do it on ice. It's like dancing. What is number 1? Again?
Nice.
Again, potato, make your voice clearer and louder.
No.
It's
Okay. It's ice skating.
okay, since you cannot write, teacher will write your answer, okay? All right, number 2. Read number 2, potato. You can do this. Go.
You can do this. I told you that is a lake or a pool.
Okay, you can do this, potato, after you jump into a lake or a pool. What is that? When you jump on a lake or the pool, you can swimming. Okay, next. Number 3. There are.
There are funny story pictures in there.
Okay, what's the answer?
Comic.
Okay, comics. Next, number 4. You can.
Can everything come?
Go. You can play music. Come on, go. Come on.
Piano.
Piano. Okay, next. Potato number 5. These are films. Go.
Computer.
These are films you can watch on the computer. What's the answer? Potato, these are films you can watch on a computer. What's the answer? It's potato. What's the answer? These are the films you can watch on a computer. DVDs. Okay, next. How about number 6? People. Potato. Number 6.
In this game.
Okay, what is that? There is a small ball that you're going to hit, and then the ball bounces in this game. What is kind of game is that, potato? You need a small ball. Small ball. Potato.
And table tennis.
Okay, last word. How about the last one? Go. It's easy to carry. Come on. Last one. Hello, potato. Last one. It is easy.
I have played computer in the school. And laptop.
Okay, very good. Okay, potato. I will end the Zoom and you enter again because we are going to check these answers, okay? The Zoom is about to close. Enter again, okay? I'll come back.